Welcome to our video on our installation, A Box of Lies. A Box of Lies is a critical design installation created in order to provoke public thought about our thesis statement that modern urban environments are alienating and socially isolating. It explores several questions surrounding modern urban environments, including: are modern urban environments isolating? Do people truly pay attention to each other in such an environment? And how hard could it possibly be to bridge that isolation in a modern urban environment? By carefully framing how we present these questions to the public, we aim to bring their thoughts to the topics of alienation and social isolation in modern urban environments. Our installation worked as follows. We created a small, isolated box resembling a modern urban environment that contained a laptop. That laptop was connected via Skype on a video call to a secondary laptop outside the box. The goal of the installation was to get members of the public to isolate themselves inside the box and attempt to gain the attention of people passing by through the use of either hand or body gestures or sound. By doing this, we aim to invoke a sense of social isolation and alienation within the person inside the box, as it was expected that they would not be able to attract the attention of passers-by. The person inside would then hopefully relate those feelings back to the environment they were in, connecting the feelings of alienation and social isolation with a modern urban environment. The results of our installation varied from person to person. While quite a few members of the public looked at the installation as they walked past, only a few chose to stop and interact with it. Of those who interacted with it, a common theme emerged. People were incredibly embarrassed. People found it embarrassing to the point that, at best, they would only try a couple of attempts at gaining attention. At worst, people would go in, read the instructions, and then immediately leave. From the very few who did, albeit briefly, interact with the installation as we had planned, we were able to show that they would not be able to gain the attention of others on the secondary laptop. However, when talking to these people afterwards, they only noticed feelings of embarrassment. In the end, the feelings of embarrassment that people experienced completely overshadowed any feelings of alienation or social isolation. If we were to revisit this installation in the future, this point would be the main design flaw that we would have to revisit and fix.